Welcome to Deliciously Simple, a collection of mouth-watering recipes. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen to prepare a delicious meal? Well, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll share some easy and flavorful recipes that will make your taste buds dance with joy. So, let's get started. First up, we have a tasty and refreshing appetizer: watermelon and feta salad. Simply chop some fresh watermelon into bite-sized pieces and crumble some feta cheese on top. Drizzle it with a balsamic glaze and garnish with fresh mint. It's the perfect combination of sweet and savory. Next, we'll teach you how to make a quick and satisfying breakfast. Grab some ripe avocados and mash them with a fork. Spread this creamy goodness onto a slice of toast. And top it with a perfectly poached egg. Sprinkle some salt, pepper, and a dash of hot sauce for an extra kick. It's a breakfast that will keep you full and energized. For lunch, we have a mouth-watering Italian classic: caprese chicken. Season juicy chicken breasts with Italian herbs and cook them until golden brown. Top each chicken breast with a slice of fresh mozzarella, a tomato slice, and a basil leaf. Drizzle it with a balsamic reduction for a burst of flavor. Serve it with a side of steamed vegetables, and you have a delicious and nutritious meal. Now, on to dinner, our recipe for honey garlic glazed salmon. Begin by searing your salmon fillets until they are perfectly golden. Then, in a saucepan, melt some butter and sauté minced garlic. Add a mix of honey, soy sauce, and lemon juice to create a sticky glaze. Pour this heavenly sauce over the cooked salmon and garnish with green onions. It's a dish that will make your taste buds sing. For dessert, we have a simple yet decadent treat: chocolate lava cakes. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt some chocolate and butter together. Then, mix it with sugar, flour, and eggs. Fill greased ramekins with this rich chocolate batter. And bake until the edges are cooked but the center is still gooey. Dust them with powdered sugar and serve with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's pure indulgence in every bite. We hope you've enjoyed this collection of mouth-watering recipes. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.